Good day and greetings, and welcome to Sunday, January 10th, 2021. I got a package. Where is it? It's right... How did the weathermen do this? Seriously, it's right there. I'm going to show you what's in it right now. So this is a package I got on eBay. Unfortunately, I can't use it here, but I am going to open it up here and then take it over to the shed, store it. This was shipped FedEx, and yeah, they do an excellent job. Not really too impressed with FedEx as of late. Okay, so it's time to open up the package. Who's that guy? If you don't know who that is, that's Trucker John. Cool guy, cool channel. You should go check him out. Boy, this guy used really good packaging tape on this package. Paper. Gotta break out the tape. Got some green bubble wrap. And wrapped up, I have 3 legs. Anybody know what those are used for? Yeah. Alright, here we go. Get that out of here. Looks like a drum. That's what it is. This is oh cow. This guy likes his tape, that's for sure. This here is a Ludwig tom. It is a 14 by 13 tom that was converted into a floor tom, and it was made in the 80s. Where is it? It has the NC badge right there. From the description, I believe it's made out of maple. Ludwig Drum Company, Monroe, North Carolina. So yeah, this is a 14 by 13. It's been converted to be a floor tom. I could probably also use it as, where is it? A regular tom, which it probably was at one point. It was made in the 80s. I have a matching 16 by 16 floor tom coming in. These will work out great either with my 16 by 22 Ludwig bass drum or my big old marching band bass drum, which I'm thinking about getting rewrapped black to match these. But I've been wanting to add deeper toms to my drum set, and these are going to be the only 2 toms that I'm going to be using, the 2 floor toms. And unfortunately, I can't play my drums here in the apartment. But I saw them on eBay. It was too good of a deal to pass up, and I've been looking for matching floor toms for a while. This one came in yesterday. The second one is still in transit. It should be here tomorrow. I'll probably do an unboxing video for that as well. But pretty excited about it. Okay, so here's the tom. All fully assembled on its legs. Obviously, I'm going to have to set the height once I get it with the other tom and the bass drum. It's got a, looks like a new Remo head on it. It actually sounds pretty good. Hasn't been tuned at all. I miss playing my drums. Can't wait till I can get into a place where I can play them once again. Okay, well that's going to do it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all next time. Y'all have a good day. I'm out of here. See ya! So I just wrapped up filming and editing the first part of this video, I'm guessing. Went to go use the bathroom, I heard a knock on the door. Let's go see what sits outside the door. I think I know what it is. Nice. Looks like Mr. McFeely made a speedy delivery to the neighborhood. So according to the FedEx tracker, I wasn't supposed to get this package until tomorrow, but it showed up today, which is awesome. I wasn't planning on doing a two-piece unboxing video today. Actually, I wasn't planning on doing any unboxing today because they were supposed to both arrive tomorrow. But they're here today, and that's awesome. And once again, I got a lot of tape. Always like unboxing new gear. Okay, once again, got the floor tom legs. Some more paper. This one is wrapped in orange bubble wrap instead of green bubble wrap. Oh, scissors, please. Video off to the right, that's Pale Rider's latest video. Has something to do with backing close in a truck stop. Guys getting off of closer comfort. Old Pale Rider's going to go out there and have to open up a can of whoop ass on him. Alright. Ooh, that's not good. Okay, there we go. So this here, once if I can get it open. Gotta cut some more plastic off of it. This here is a matching floor tom to the tom in the previous clips here. This is a 16 by 16 Ludwig floor tom from the 80s. Made in Monroe, North Carolina. It's black, and this is an actual floor tom. The other one was a tom converted into a floor tom. And it looks to be in pretty good shape. Ooh, got a nice sound to it. I'm guessing he tuned these before he sent them. And they're still relatively in tune. Awesome. Now if I could just get all the drum pieces together and jam a little bit, I'd be a happy guy. So I have a technical problem with one of the legs for this floor tom here. It's bent. Needs to be straight to go through the hole there. The item description didn't talk about that being bent. So I'm going to have to go contact the guy that sold it to me, which really isn't a big deal. I have other legs I can use. But still a little disappointed with the bent leg here, but the drum itself is in pretty good shape. And there are the two toms together. Well, that's going to do it for this double unboxing video. Everybody say hi to Pale Rider. Yes, I'll include these in my video. Anyway, pretty excited. I got the two drums in. Can't wait to get all the pieces together and kick out some beats. I'm going to do some cleaning up around here. And then go do some laundry because I got to go to work tomorrow on the early side. So thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all later. Y'all have a good one, eh? I am out of here. See ya.